In short-term rentals, control is the real competitive advantage. Control over your bookings, control over your guest experience, control over how your business grows in 2026. Lodgify gives rental operators the tools to build direct booking websites, automate guest communication, and manage every channel from one platform without adding complexity. This is how rentals stop feeling reactive and start feeling more intentional. Skip Daily Briefing listeners get 20% off any yearly or bi-yearly Lodgify plans with code SDB20, available through March 2026. Details are in the show notes.
Welcome back to the Skift Daily Briefing. It's Thursday, February 19th. I'm Sarah Dandishi, and today we're covering how AI is quietly rewiring the travel industry, from your boarding pass to your hotel search results. All of that and more. Let's get into it. Airlines are putting AI into daily ops and admitting the downside risk. U.S. airlines are starting to spell out where AI is being used day to day, and they're also warning it can backfire fast, especially if customers feel it's unfair, unsafe, or messy. Delta Airlines says that it's using AI to help route and distribute bags for tight connections, improve on time performance, and optimize maintenance timing. Basically, fewer operational domino effects when things run tight. United Airlines, meanwhile, is leaning into AI across core systems and its app experience, including features aimed at helping customers navigate connections more smoothly. United has also explicitly linked some management job cuts to AI driven efficiency and flagged emerging ethical issues as they scale. And Southwest Airlines says it's applying generative AI to refine marketing messages and boost conversion, while emphasizing a cautious rollout with privacy and legal terms involved. So, what does this mean for you? Well, you'll feel the benefits first when things go wrong: irregular ops, tight connections, baggage flow. But the flashpoint is pricing. Even the idea of AI driven fair decisions can trigger backlash. So expect scrutiny and guardrails to ramp up very quickly. The takeaway from this is that AI can make travel smoother right up until it creates a trust problem. Next up, Airbnb says hotels aren't a gap filler anymore. They're the next growth lane. Airbnb is expanding its hotel ambitions beyond pilot programs to supply constrained, highly regulated cities. CEO Brian Chesky says hotels used to be about filling network gaps when homes were booked. Now it's a much bigger strategy. They're starting with boutique and independent hotels, which makes sense, a huge slice of global inventory, and positioning it as some trips are better in homes and some trips are better in hotels. Think one night stays, last minute bookings, business travel, and conferences. This also tees up a bigger competitive story. At scale, Airbnb starts inching towards a more direct challenge to Booking.com in hotels. So, what does this change for travelers? Well, you'll likely see more hotel choice inside Airbnb, but also more same stay, different rules. Cancellation terms, fees, and what's actually included will be the make or break detail. The takeaway: Airbnb wants to be the first app you open for lodging, not just the cool house app you open second. IHG is staying in the headlines. They're rebuilding hotel content so AI systems can actually understand it. This one is less flashy, but hugely strategic. IHG Hotels and Resorts says it's restructuring its tech systems for a shift away from blue links towards AI generated answers. The big move is a new AI compatible content platform that turns hotel information into modular, machine readable data, including richer media like video, 360 visuals, virtual tours, translations, and floor plans. CEO Ellie Malouf also reinforced the goal of strengthening direct bookings, including a cloud based CRM rollout powered by Salesforce to unify guest data and speed up personalization and loyalty delivery. And yes, loyalty is the moat. IHG One Rewards is now a major driver of room nights. They're also building foundational AI trip planning capabilities with Google. But the point is, conversational search only works if the underlying content and systems are modern. So, why should you care? Well, as AI shopping becomes more common, the brands with clean, structured content are the ones that get recommended, and the ones without it remain invisible. The takeaway: in the AI era, it's not just about being bookable, it's about being findable. Well, that's it for your Skift Daily Briefing for Thursday, February 19th. For more on all of these stories, head to skift.com, and for the newsletter, and to also catch this on the regular, head to skift.com/daily. Thanks so much for listening.